In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal checkout button code in Systeme.io. We're going to walk through the process of placing a PayPal checkout button directly onto a page inside your Systeme.io sales funnel. This is useful if you already have your PayPal button code ready and you want to embed it exactly where customers will see it on your page. To begin, head over to your Systeme.io dashboard. This is your main control center, and it's where you'll access the website and funnel tools needed for this setup. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Sites. This section contains the assets related to your pages, funnels, and overall site structure. From there, select Sales Funnels so you can access the funnel where you want to place the PayPal checkout button. Next, click on your funnel. Make sure you choose the specific funnel that contains the page you want to edit. After opening it, click on Edit Page. This will launch the page builder, where you can visually add and customize page elements. Inside the page editor, click on Elements. This opens the list of available blocks and components you can place onto your page. From that list, click on Raw HTML, then drag it directly onto your canvas wherever you want the PayPal button to appear. Placement matters here, so try to drop it in the exact section where you want visitors to take action, such as near a product description or pricing area. After the raw HTML block has been added to the page, click directly on that block. This opens its settings in the left side panel and gives you access to the code area for that element. Now click on Edit Code. A pop-up window will appear. If there is any default filler text already inside that code box, delete it. Then paste in your PayPal button code layout. Be careful to paste the full code exactly as provided so the button displays and functions correctly. Once the code is in place, click Save in the code pop-up window. This confirms the HTML inside the block. After that, click Save again in the page editor itself. The second save is important because it publishes the changes you made to the page design. And that's it. Your PayPal checkout button code has now been added to your Systeme.io page. After saving, it's a good idea to preview the page and make sure the button appears in the right spot and looks the way you expect. If needed, you can always return to the editor and reposition the raw HTML block.